Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to retrieve data from the database in Laravel using the raw SQL query. This is the student controller, and here I will create a function that is view. Here I will write the SQL query to show the data from database. This is my web route. I am going to copy the add route. Now here I give the name it as a view route, and the function is a view function. Okay, this way. And in student controller I will write my codes. For example, in order to show all the data, I will have to select this db select, and here I will have to write the raw query select all from table name students. Okay, I am going to take this into a variable, for example all data. Now I will show this using the dd, and let's see if everything comes well. I am going now to the browser, and here I will hit by view. You see that all that data from that database comes here. Here is all the data. Okay, this data and this data, this row and this row. I have two rows in the students table, so those information comes here. If I want to show those into a good format using a view, then I will do is return view. I will create a view now. Okay, show. So here under resource folder, views folder, I will create a blade file, that is show.blade.php, and here I will show the information. So I am going to pass all information from here. Students, this is the array, and here all data. Okay, these students will be passed. I will take that into here and use the for is blade directive code, and here students as item. So students as item. The item is an array. What does students mean? Students mean all the rows. Okay, in students table I have all the rows in my hand, and here I am going to use the for is to show each particular row. So for each row, item means another time loop will run and I will get another item. So in this way, item, in this way I get each item. So in order to get the row data, suppose I want to show the name. Item means this row. Okay, first time item means this row, another time item, when another time comes, then that means this row. In this way item will be shown. But I want to show this name, email, phone. In that case I will have to write it this way, that means a row and then column name. And in order to print this, I will have to write the code like this: name, here I can show in this way, then email, item, email, and then phone, item, phone. And when this row is completed, I am going to use more beer. Now let's see what is going to be happen. Refresh it. We see that this is first student and this is second student. Okay, so everything comes well. I am going to comment it, and here also I am going to comment this. I am going to copy here. Now I want to retrieve only one student from the students table. So in that case, I will change the query, select all from students. Suppose first student I will pick. So right here where id equal question. So in question mark I will put 1. That means I will search in the students table where id equal to 1. So here all the students will not come. Suppose a single student will come. Okay. So I am going to write here student row. That means single student row. This will come. And this variable I will use here. But look, here I do not have all the rows, a single row. So I can straight write this code to show on particular student information. And here what I have student row, I am going to copy this. I can straight call the student row. But here I will have to give an array index that is 0. Otherwise it will not work. Because this is the first row that will be returned here. This way you will have to give the information. Okay. Now go here, refresh it. You will see that only one particular row is returned, and I am going to show it using the view. Now if you want to show the second student, give the id equal to 2 and refresh. You will see that this is our second student.